Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites: battery, Bluetooth, and proximity. Put AirPods Max into pairing mode by pressing and holding the noise control button until the LED flashes white. On your device, open Bluetooth settings and scan. Once the AirPods Max appear, tap to connect. Do this now so the device can detect them immediately. Doing it later can cause delays if other accessories interfere. Keep interference low by closing unused apps and putting other Bluetooth devices into air. Once your device shows AirPods Max, tap to pair and accept any permissions. You must confirm notifications or access requests so audio routing works and controls are available. If you're on an iPhone and signed into iCloud, your headphones will propagate to other Apple devices. Make sure iCloud keychain and Bluetooth sharing are enabled. For Android, grant media and call permissions. Then check audio routing in the system's Bluetooth menu to ensure microphone and media audio are active. You should test music and calls, toggling noise control and transparency to confirm functionality. If you notice dropouts or missing features, make sure firmware is current by leaving AirPods Max connected to an iPhone with internet overnight. If pairing fails, reset the headphones by holding the noise control and digital crown for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white, then repeat pairing. If problems persist, reboot your device and retry. That resolves most lingering Bluetooth conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.